Hello and welcome to Mom I Love, and I am Shubhoshri. You can also find us at our official website, that is www.momilove.com. As we know that school admission for kids has become online these days because of the COVID situation. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you that how you are going to prepare yourself and your child for that online interview which is going to happen for a school admission. So today we will consider kids who are seeking admission for nursery as well as KG classes and for class 1 and 2. So this age group does not always open up in front of strangers, and especially what happens when it is an online interview, the child may be distracted by the presence of computer and other person interacting from the other side of the computer. So that can be really hectic for you and your child. But watch this video till the end, as I'm going to share with you in details that how you will prepare your child, how you will prepare yourself for the interview, as well as how you are going to prepare for the D-Day. So before I begin, I will request you to subscribe to my channel because your support means a lot, and I come up with parenting videos every Mondays and Thursdays, so stay tuned and hit that bell icon. So first we will talk about that how do we prepare our kids for online interview, school interviews. So if your child is seeking admission for nursery, then there must not be that hard and fast interview as such, but the school will judge your child's ability. So, the admission questions which come for your child is mostly based on the last year academics. So if your child is seeking admission for nursery, there won't be such hard questions for your child which will be asked during the interview session. So things are going to be different because now they are not visiting the school for that informal interview. So it might happen that if you are seeking admission for nursery class, your child may has to face some kind of questions, like if they show some object and say that can you tell the color of this object, can you say the shape of this object. They can ask such kind of question to your child. Apart from that, kids can be asked about their parents, families, themselves, and where they live. So these are the few things which you need to teach your child. So I have a worksheet for small kids, especially between this age. They are between 3 to 5 years old. So if you are seeking admission for nursery class, you can go and download that worksheet for free for your child, and you can then practice at home. These are really easy and really crafted for kids who are at this age group, and it will really help you in getting admission in schools, because I have prepared these things on basis of what your child should know when they are going for nursery admission. Simultaneously, when you are seeking admission in KG classes or for grade 1, the difficulty level increases for your child. What happens is your child is now judged on the basis of what they have learned in their previous year. So if your child is seeking admission in class 1, he would be required to give a test which is related to his KG2 means kindergarten 2, which he has learned over there. So the questions will be on basis of that. So now you understand that what are the difficulty levels your child may have to face. So if your child have already gone to a kindergarten and he is now directly taking admission in class 1, you might not take much tension about it, because the kindergarten has already done their job by teaching what they need to know when they approach to class 1. In my next video, I will share the syllabus for class 1 admission test. If you are interested to know about that, please go to the next video and check out that. Which I would like to add here is, kids are very afraid of things. So when you say them multiple times that beta don't be afraid, tum rona mat, tum jo bhi wo पूछेंगे उसका जवाब देना. So when you say your child like this many times, you overdo that, then your child is really scared. They will try and think that what will happen, is there really something very scary? So tell them that there is nothing to get afraid of. They are your new teachers, and you will be fine. They will just be friendly with you and ask you some little questions. You have to answer them. It's as easy as that. That is one thing. Second is, So go for rehearsals. What you can do is, sometimes you can ask, like we all do video calls, right? So it is as easy as that. So you can just ask somebody to do a video call and ask that type of question, or you can just do it at home. You call from the other room to your child and you say like, see, today I am your teacher, and today your father is going to be with you, or let the daddy ask the question from the other room, and you sit with your child and see that how he answers to them. So in the first, second, third, fourth time, you will see that he is improving. So what will happen on the D day, it will not be a new thing for your child. He will be really mentally prepared to give an online interview for school admission. This was how you should prepare your child. Now comes, as a parent, how you should prepare yourself for online school admission interview. So today it is really important that as parents we also be prepared for our child's school interview. And just because this will be hosted online, it will be a bit different from, just sitting in front of somebody and talking to them. So what happens when we are in front of a screen and some person is talking to us from the other side of the phone? Our body, it is hard to read our body language. It is hard to read what kind of circumstance we are into, and it is little bit different from interacting when you are sitting in front of that person. So you have to be very particular about things like how you talk to them, how you represent yourself. So I will go into details about these things. So first of all, be prepared for the common questions. So by common questions, I mean they will ask the father that what his job is. They will ask the mother that whether she is working or not. Then they will ask you question related to kids, that how do you find time to spend with your child? What do you think mobile phone is a good or a bad thing? How often does your child use screen time? And many other questions related to this. As a parent, you have to make sure that whatever answer you are giving, it does not contain any negative thing. Even if they are asking something which can go a little bit negative, make sure that your answer is either positive or neutral. Never say something which goes against the policies of the school. My greatest tip over here will be studying about the school before you go for the interview. So you can read about them in their website, take few feedbacks from different people whom you know belongs from that school, and you can prepare yourself, because any and every school is going to ask you that why you want your child to get in our school. So if you have already prepared yourself with this question, you will not take a fraction of time to answer them. You can instantly say that I have seen my colleagues, I have seen my friends or my family members who have sent their kids to your school and they are doing good in life. I want my child to follow them. These are the type of question and answer you might face. The last important tip, which is very important, that be natural, be what you are. Don't try to pretend anything, because those people who are sitting over there, that panel, they are taking up maybe 50 to 100 interviews or more on a regular basis, and they already by now they know by their profession that who is pretending and who is real. So be very real and be yourself while you go for the interview. So now we will finally discuss about the D-Day. That day is very special when your child is going to have an online interview for school admission. So what are you going to do? How you are going to prepare? So first of all, let me talk about preparation of clothes. So whatever clothes you are going to wear on that day, for all the three, both the parents and the child, you will prepare that the last night and keep it in one place. Make it very regular as regular days. Don't pick up your child too early if it is not required. Then your child might feel sleepy at that point of time. So give them the time they want and tell them that today we are going to, today you have your school interview and this and that, and then you prepare yourself. Wear very comfortable clothes. Don't make it too flashy or something in which you or your child is not comfortable with. But also remember that online interview does not mean that we will sit in our PJs. We have to be really well presented, because when you are not in front of that person, your impression matters a lot. So you have to represent as if you are a responsible parent. So that was all from my side in this video today. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment back to me if you have any questions related to this. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.